The sun, a universal source of energy, shines brightly to illuminate our environment. We feel the warmth and embrace the winds of change. Sungrow harnesses the gift of nature into clean power for all. We are a massive workforce equipped with years of experience and industry know-how, who turn passion into action, who transform concepts into real-world solutions, who take market demands and create world-class service platforms. We are forerunners of technology. We are witnesses to the clean energy era. We are leading the global mission by offering high-efficiency solutions to a wide range of users. We are a reliable partner. For us, reliability and excellence mean a commitment to continuous improvement, an unwavering aspiration for innovation, a meticulous testing process, a robust manufacturing capability. Full attention to detail ensures the reliability and efficiency of each and every product and solution. In order to feed our hunger of reaching customer success, we use technological innovation as the source of power in the pursuit of sustainable efficiency. Our goal is to replace the traditional fossil fuel model by perfecting new energy conversion technology to deliver clean energy to millions of households. We are committed to remaining a global leader in power conversion technology, leading the era of efficient, clean electric power, accelerating a collective global mission of renewable energy transition. Together, we will embrace the future under our slogan, Clean Power for All.